Rilla.
Look over here.
Rilla. What are you doing? What are you looking at?
Look over here.
Why won't you look at Mommy and Daddy?
Hey, Rilla.
This is what Rilla's looking at. She likes video games already. 4 months old. Aww. So much for getting good pictures of Rilla with Daddy. Not interested.
Now watch. Turn her head this way. Turn her head that way. Turn her head this way. And turn her head that way.
She knows where the TV is. And she's glued.
Oh!
She says, Dad, I can't see on my back. Alright, watching TV with the thumb in the mouth, or the fingers in the mouth. This is good life, but now it's bedtime. Say bye-bye, Rilla. Bye-bye.